Guys, Mr. Magic 8352 here, and today I'm going to be doing a startup video for you, how to start your nitro car. So all you need to do really is get nitro fuel, obviously put in your fuel tank. This mine's broken. Put in your fuel tank, then you'll need to prime it. You can either put your finger over the exhaust and pull the pull start, or you can pull out the cable from your exhaust and blow through it. So, but we've already primed ours. Prime it again maybe. Then you need a fully charged glow igniter. First of all, you turn your charger, your remote on, then your car. Make sure everything's working. Then basically glow igniter in. And that's it really. So do a quick drive for you. Not going to be able to start it now.